Imagine Earth as a flat disk, surrounded by an icy barrier. That's the basic idea behind the flat Earth theory. Sounds strange, right? But for centuries, people truly believed this. They thought the sun and moon revolved around us. Even today, this ancient idea has found new life. Many ancient cultures had their own ideas about Earth's shape. These ideas were often influenced by their observations of the natural world and their mythological beliefs. The Babylonians, for instance, imagined Earth as a flat disk floating on a vast ocean. This concept was deeply rooted in their mythology, where the Earth was seen as a flat surface surrounded by a cosmic sea. The Egyptians had a similar view. They believed that the Earth was a flat plane, and their cosmology included a sky goddess named Nut, who arched over the Earth, supported by the air god Shu. The sky, they believed, was a solid dome held up by pillars. These pillars were thought to be the mountains at the edge of the world, and the stars were embedded in the dome. The ancient Greeks, however, made some surprisingly accurate observations. They were among the first to propose a spherical Earth, based on empirical evidence rather than mythological beliefs. Philosophers like Pythagoras and Aristotle argued for a spherical Earth. Pythagoras, in the 6th century BCE, was one of the earliest to suggest this idea, and Aristotle later provided more evidence to support it. They noticed how ships disappeared hull first over the horizon. This observation suggested that the Earth's surface was curved, as a flat Earth would not cause such a phenomenon. They also observed the Earth's curved shadow during lunar eclipses. This was another strong piece of evidence for a spherical Earth, as only a round object can cast a circular shadow. Additionally, the Greeks noted that different stars were visible from different locations on Earth, which further supported the idea of a spherical planet. These early observations laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of Earth's shape. Contrary to popular belief, the Middle Ages didn't entirely reject a spherical Earth. Scholars like Bede and Hildegard von Bingen, influenced by Greek texts, accepted the Earth's roundness. The Church, too, didn't hold a single, rigid view. However, some medieval thinkers did subscribe to a flat Earth. They interpreted Scripture literally. This view, combined with limited scientific understanding, contributed to the persistence of the flat Earth model in certain circles. The Renaissance brought about a renewed interest in classical knowledge. Scientists like Nicholas Copernicus and Galileo Galilei challenged the Earth-centered model of the universe. Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model with the Sun at the center. Galileo's observations with the telescope provided further evidence. He observed the phases of Venus, which could only be explained if it orbited the Sun. These discoveries, though met with resistance, ultimately led to the widespread acceptance of a spherical Earth. You might think the flat Earth theory died out centuries ago. Surprisingly, it's alive and well in the 21st century. The modern flat Earth movement gained traction in the mid-20th century. It relies on a selective interpretation of evidence and a distrust of scientific authorities. Modern flat earthers propose various models. Some imagine a disk surrounded by an ice wall like Antarctica. Others believe in a dome-like firmament enclosing the Earth. They often use conspiracy theories to explain away scientific evidence. The Internet has played a significant role in the resurgence of the flat Earth theory. What was once a fringe belief has found new life in the digital age, where information spreads rapidly and communities form easily. Social media platforms and online forums provide spaces for like-minded individuals to connect and share their beliefs. These platforms allow users to find and join groups that support their views, no matter how unconventional they may be. These echo chambers can reinforce misconceptions and limit exposure to alternative viewpoints. When people only interact with others who share their beliefs, it becomes easier to dismiss or ignore evidence that contradicts their views. YouTube, in particular, has been criticized for its algorithms. These algorithms are designed to keep users engaged by recommending content similar to what they've already watched. These algorithms can recommend videos that align with the user's existing beliefs, even if those beliefs are based on misinformation. This can lead to a cycle where users are continually exposed to content that reinforces their existing views. This can create a feedback loop, solidifying unfounded ideas. As users consume more content that supports their beliefs, they become more convinced of their accuracy, making it increasingly difficult to change their minds. The rise of online communities has even led to real-world events, such as flat Earth conferences, where believers gather to discuss their theories and share new evidence. Merchandise and books promoting flat Earth ideas have also become more common, further spreading these beliefs. Influencers on social media platforms can have a significant impact, using their reach to promote flat Earth theories to a wider audience. It's important to promote critical thinking and media literacy to help individuals discern credible information from misinformation. Education and awareness can play a crucial role in countering the spread of unfounded theories. By encouraging open dialogue and exposing people to a variety of perspectives, we can help create a more informed and balanced understanding of the world. Despite the claims of flat earthers, overwhelming scientific evidence supports a spherical Earth. We have satellite images, GPS technology, and countless observations that confirm its shape. Gravity itself, which pulls objects towards the Earth's center, points to a spherical planet. Moreover, the arguments put forth by flat earthers often crumble under scrutiny. They rely on flawed logic, cherry-picked evidence, and a misunderstanding of basic scientific principles. Their claims have been repeatedly debunked by scientists and educators. The persistence of the flat Earth theory might seem amusing, but it highlights a concerning trend: the erosion of trust in science and expertise. In an age of information overload, it's easy to fall prey to misinformation and conspiracy theories. That's why critical thinking is crucial. It's about questioning information, evaluating sources, and thinking logically. It's about understanding the scientific method and the importance of evidence-based reasoning. Throughout history, humans have always been driven by a thirst for exploration. From ancient mariners circumnavigating the globe to astronauts venturing into space, we've pushed the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. This spirit of exploration is essential. It challenges our assumptions, broadens our perspectives, and fuels scientific progress. By embracing curiosity and a willingness to learn, we can continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. The flat Earth theory, though demonstrably false, has persisted through the ages, capturing the imagination of many. It offers a valuable lesson. It reminds us of the importance of critical thinking, scientific literacy, and a healthy dose of skepticism. These are not just academic skills, but essential tools for navigating the complexities of modern life. As we navigate an increasingly complex world, these skills are paramount. In an era where misinformation can spread like wildfire, being able to discern fact from fiction is more crucial than ever. So the next time you encounter someone who believes the Earth is flat, engage them in conversation. Ask them why they hold such beliefs and listen to their reasoning. Don't dismiss their beliefs outright. Instead, use it as an opportunity to share your knowledge, encourage critical thinking, and perhaps together take a step closer to understanding the wonders of our very round, very real world. By engaging in respectful dialogue, we can foster a culture of curiosity and learning. We can help others see the value in questioning and investigating the world around them. This approach not only strengthens our own understanding, but also builds bridges of communication and respect. In the end, keeping our feet on solid ground means more than just accepting scientific facts. It means being open to new ideas, willing to question our own assumptions, and committed to lifelong learning. By doing so, we can all contribute to a more informed and enlightened society.